Who the fuck are you? Shut up.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Tallinn County in northern Connecticut, northeastern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Suffield or near Enfield, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Enfield, Windsor, Agawam, West Springfield, Ludlow, Longmeadow, Suffield, East Longmeadow, Wilbraham, Stafford, Somers, Granby, East Windsor, Monset, East Granby, and Hampton. The National Weather Service